Hi.
Oh wow.
Back with another video. Cotton candy.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
Skateboard.
Today we're back with another video.
And I don't really look well together.
I already had a video today, but I'm gonna teach you guys how to do the water droplet noise today. Like right now, if that's possible. Get in the video. Okay. So if you want to do the water droplet noise, this takes a lot of practice, honestly. It takes I've done it for like a month. I did it for like a month and then I actually got it down. Okay? So go like this. Hear that howl, like that weird noise? That's what you're looking for. Look for that spot when you go like this. So you can go like this. Look for it just about there. And then as you do it, you go like this. Kind of go like this, like whistle kind of, but like stick your lips out. Go. And kind of stick your tongue out with it. So you're going. And it kind of sounds like it, but if you actually want it to have the effect that it's like dropping into more water, you go with it, so it's like this. That's how you do the water droplet noise. Alright, well, I hope you've learned how to do the water droplet noise. If you have, comment down below. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't watched my other video today on how to do my drumstick trick, so go watch that. Maybe drop a like on the video. Ow. And bye. See you guys in the next one.